Let's see a new function. This function is weekday and this function takes the serial number and return type. Let's see what does this do. As the name suggests, weekday will give you from the date, from the serial number, it will return which day of the week it is. Now depending on countries, some countries they take Sunday as the first day of the week, some countries take Monday as the first day of the week, some countries say Friday is the first day of the week. So depending on the country where you are, you can compute which day of the week is the date line. As an example, suppose we have date as 29th March 2020 and in this country the first day of the week is Sunday. So we are interested in computing what day of the week it is. So 29th was Sunday, so this is first day. But how we compute using Excel? So we'll say equal to weekday. This is a serial number, the date, comma, return type. And you can see the return type. One means Sunday to Saturday. That means first is Sunday. The first working day is Sunday. The first day of the week is not first working day, but the first day of the week is Sunday. If you say that the Monday is the first day of the week, then you have to use 2. If you see Tuesday is the first day of the week, then you have to use 12. Wednesday, then you have to use 13. Thursday, you have to use 14. Friday, 15. Saturday, 16. And then it gets repeated 17. So you don't worry. You use 1, 2, 12, 13, 14. But here we know Sunday is the first day of the week. By the way, this is optional. So this is optional. So if you don't give anything, by default it will take as 1. So let's see, we don't give anything, or let's say we give 1 and we get 1 as the answer. But now we don't give anything and still 1 is the answer. So by default value is 1. By default Sunday is the first day of the week. But in this country the first day of the week is Monday. Then we say comma Monday, that is 2, and we say enter. So see, Monday is the first day of the week, 29th is Sunday, so it will be considered as 7th day. Let's see, there is another function which is called as week num. So week num, it returns the week number in the year. Now given a date, you want to know which week it is falling. So let's say suppose today is 30th March. I want to know which week of the year it is falling. So I'll say week num, serial number, then return type. It depends on whether the first day of the week is Sunday or Monday or Tuesday. So we say comma, 1 means Sunday, 2 means Monday. By default it is Sunday. We'll say 1. So it is given me 14th week. That is 30th March is falling on the 14th week. But if I don't give, then also it will give you 14th week. If the Wednesday is the first day of the week, then 30th March is falling on 13th week, because probably we have to see the calendar and then we can see January. See, January 1st was a Wednesday. So that's why this was the first week, and then still we are in this Thursday. It is considered as, so we are in March 30th, which is Monday. It is in the 13th week. Right? So that is how it calculates. So where it is being used, wherever you have to do weekly pay, you can compute which week number, how much payment, like that. So you can have, okay, week number 1, 2, 3 and payments can be computed like this.